What's up, guys? Yes! So for today's video, ating ang pag-uusapan ang mean of a discrete random variable. Yes! Pero bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating video, kung bago ka nga lang sa aking YouTube channel at ikaw ay napadaan, just hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Yes! And of course, guys, do not forget to hit the like button and share this video. Yes! So ito na nga guys, i-define na natin kung ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng mean of a discrete random variable. So pag sinabi nating mean of a discrete random variable is the average value of the variable weighted by the probability of each possible values. So ang ibig sabihin lamang nito, no, pag sinabi nating mean of a discrete random variable, we are just getting the average value of the variable or yung tinatawag nating random variable ng random experiments. So, kinukuha natin yung average value nun. And that is the mean. And take note that pag sinabi natin mean of a discrete random variable, it is also known as the expected value. Okay? Expected value. So, please do take note about our formula. So, this is our formula in finding the mean of a discrete random variable. It's the summation of x times the p of x. Or in other words, we are adding the product of the random variable and the probability. And also, please do take note about the symbol for the mean. Ayan po ang symbol. Ang tawag sa kanya is mu. No? It looks like letter M. So please be familiarized with the symbols. Kasi usually, symbols ang ginagamit natin in the statistics. For our example, illustrate and compute the mean of the number of sold detergents of a certain store in our town. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with the corresponding probabilities 3 over 14, 1 over 14, 4 over 14, 1 over 14, 3 over 14, and 2 over 14. So since we are solving for the mean, no? So ang ginawa ko lang dito is that we put our givens sa isang table. Ayan, so kung mapapansin nyo sa inyong screen, no, ang ating random variable na 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at saka yung corresponding probabilities niya ay nilagay ko sa isang table. Ayan. Para makita ninyo yung mga magka-corresponding na random variable at saka yung probability nila. Okay? So, ito po ang formula. Again, ang formula to find the mean. So, it's the summation of the product of x and the p of x. So, in this table, no, so kailangan muna nating kuhanin ang product ng x and px. So, dito natin ilalagay yung product ng x and yung p of x. Okay? So, in short, i-multiply natin ang random variable, itong x, at saka itong probability na p of x. So, let us now multiply 0 times 3 over 4, and that is 0. 1 times 1 over 14, that is same as 1 over 14. So, 2 times 4 over 15. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dito, i-multiply nyo yung whole number sa numerator. So, 2 times 4, that is 8. And then, copy denominator, 14. 3 times 1, it's 3. Then, copy denominator, 14. 4 times 3, that is 12 over 14. And 5 times 2, that is 10 over 14. So, na-multiply na natin lahat ng ating givens, no? Ang x at ang px. So, pwede na natin gamitin ang ating formula. So, again, our formula is the summation of the x times the p of x. So, again, pag sinabi nating summation, itong malaking letter E na to, ang tawag dyan ay summation. So, pag sinabing summation, sum. So, ibig sabihin, we were going to add all the products of x and the px. So, 1/4 plus 8 over 14 plus 3 over 14 plus 12 over 14 plus 10 over 14. Now, so kung mapapansin nyo, ang givens natin pare-parehas ang denominator. So, kukopyahin lang natin yung ating mga denominator. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-add natin ang numerator. So, let's add our numerator. So, we have here as 1 plus 8 plus 3 plus 12 plus 10. And that is equal to 34. So, 34 over 14. And we're going to simplify it. 34 divided by 14. So, gagamit tayo ulit ng calculator. So, 34 divided by 14. So, change natin siya sa decimal. So, that is 2.43. So, 2.43. Round off to 2 decimal place value. So, ito na po ngayon ang ating mean. So, ano pong ibig sabihin ng mean na ito na 2.43? Ibig sabihin, the average number of sold detergents in a certain store is 2.43. Yan po pag sinabi nating mean of a discrete random variable.